what is your stock pick here?
Yeah, no, so I think there's going to be market drawdown coming in, and I really have started to see in the option Greeks that there's a bit of movement in the gamma. So I'm buying call options on the VIX futures, 22 price strike, in anticipation of that drawdown and an upward tick in volatility, and just hedging over my portfolio as an overlay to that volatility.
All right. What about you, Rowan? Are you going for a stock?
Yes, a stock. We like Sun International here. It's had quite a tough period. I think that's the threat of regulation in the online gambling space. So that is a very topical space, and it probably does need some reining in. But Sun International is one of the ethical players in the industry, and I think actually regulations may actually strengthen their market position. The share is very cheap as a result, and the tourism sector is trading well. We think the South African consumer will improve this year, and so the rest of their business, their core business, the land-based gambling, as well as the hotels and allied services are continuing to do well. The overseas tourism has been strong. We've had a strong season. The Cape Town in particular, strong, they're well positioned there. So I think at a P of around 7 and a high dividend yield of 9, it looks like an attractive entry point for us.
All right, gents, thank you so much for your time and sharing your insights with me this afternoon. Now, thanks to my guests, that was Kearabilwe Nonyana from PRIMEXBT and Rowan Williams from Nitrogen Fund Managers. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right on Business Day TV.